Good morning. How are you doing today? This is second video in the continuation of my previous video wherein we have seen error code 2762 and how to address that. So this was something to do with the DDL within transaction and how to roll back or how to commit and whether this option is enabled or not to check that and then take appropriate action accordingly, be it in TempDB, be it in the user database, something like that. Okay. Today we'll see the same thing but in a different perspective. Okay. Before continuing, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and if you want me to continue recording videos, and if you want to get notifications, so then you can also click on the red icon which is bell, so you will get notification that I have published a new video. That will help me, and also I would request you to put your comment in case you want to cover something else, or if you have any feedback for me, so all that. And if you like my video, that will help me understanding that yes, people are there who are liking my video. That will give me confidence, and also that will boost up my willingness to do more and more videos. Okay, so thank you. So let's start. So yesterday we have seen the error code 2762 and how does that come. So let me show you the DB option first. I have just made it false. So if I do sp underscore help db, okay, test underscore db, and let's see what is there. You can see we do not have it enabled. So if I issue a command here wherein I will try to add a column in my test table A database in the test DB, you will get an error 2762. And we have seen, like in the previous video, how to solve that. So let's roll it back and now enable the DB option for our database, make it true, right? Now if you do the sp underscore help db test db, you will see this has been enabled. You can see DDL in tran, this has been enabled, right? Now if you run the same query here, okay, you would be able to add a column. There is no error code here, right? You can see that I have added this column. So if you do top 10 name comma star from this table, you see that name column is appearing here, which means the column has been added. Let's roll it back. So we have seen that this is working. You can also do create table within this transaction and this will succeed. Okay, you can see from you can select it from this table and you would be able to see that the table exists here. You can do rollback. Okay, now if you do this again, select star from this, I can refresh it and you will get an error, it is not found, right? So this is to do with the error code 2762. Now we will do something similar, okay, but different types of command. Okay, now as you know that DDL in tran is enabled. We have seen that we have not done any change. You want to cross check, you can cross check it here, sp underscore help db test db, and sorry, so let me take that option again, help db, and go. Okay, so this is enabled, DDL in tran is enabled. Now try to drop a column within a transaction of this table. Check the error code here. Is it 2762? No, the error code is 226. Okay, error code is 226. Roll it back. Let's see some more command here within a transaction. What is the error number here? 226. This is not 2762. Okay, let's see something else. Let's roll it back here. Select into within a transaction. What is the error code here? 226. Okay, so actually Sybase has two types of command. One is set of command which is allowed within a transaction. And there are other types of command which is not allowed inside transaction. For instance, dropping a column. For instance, truncating a table. For instance, performing select into, and there are other sets of command which is not allowed. However, if you see the error message, it looks almost similar. However, error code is different. If you remember in the previous video when we saw, we have first variable was command name, which was create table, which was alter table, and then we had something called database name. But in this particular one, there is no table name, there is no command name, there is no database name. It's pretty straightforward. It says that this command is not allowed within a multi-statement transaction. Actually, this is a bit confusing. However, I still give a bit of support to Sybase that they have made some distinction. I would have been really happy if they could have said that in the error message that this command is not allowed straight away. Whether it is being, whether you enable DDL in TRAN or you don't enable that. Okay, this is something straight away not allowed. Okay, however, you can make out based on the error code. If you have 226 error code, whether you enable DDL in TRAN or you don't enable it, doesn't matter. It will not be allowed. However, if the error code is 2762, yes, you can enable it within a database by enabling DDL in TRAN option. So this is the difference. Okay, so we have some set of command which is allowed within a statement, within a transaction, and there are other set of command which is not allowed. So this is the different way of handling it by Sybase ASE. So you cannot say at a blanket level that all DDLs are allowed in a transaction. No, all DDL cannot be rolled back. Okay. So this was about this video, wherein it was just extension of the previous video wherein we covered 2762, and I also have a blog on this post. So I will create another post for this which will be on the error code 226. So I hope you like this video, and this will be helpful to you in understanding the error code and how to address it and whether it can be addressed or not. There are something which cannot be really changed. This is something strict. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and as I said earlier, if you liked it, please do like. If you have any feedback, please give me your feedback in terms of comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.